Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to enable the Narrator feature in Windows 11, which is a built-in screen reader that helps you navigate your computer with ease. This tool is especially helpful for visually impaired users or anyone who wants to hear text. First, right-click on the Start icon at the bottom. From the list that appears, click on Settings. Next, in the Settings window, select Accessibility from the left-hand menu. Next, within the Accessibility menu, find the Narrator section. Click on it to open the Narrator settings page. Here, you will see an option to turn on the narrator. Simply toggle the switch to enable it, and your computer will start reading text aloud immediately. Then, you can customize the narrator voice according to your preference. You have the option to change the voice. This allows you to personalize the reading experience to suit your needs. You can test the settings by navigating through different sections and listening to how the text is read aloud. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with others.